Up for auction, we have a TUG MA-50 baggage tractor. This has been freshly painted with a smooth white Raptor on the body, textured white Raptor on the bumpers, and textured black for the fenders and rear bumper. It's got solid front tires with excellent tread wear remaining, pneumatic rears with 50% or better. So we'll hop on, start it up, drive it around, show you the operation. Does have the Ford 300 gas engine. And just to show you the parking brake holds, that's drive, doesn't move, reverse, doesn't move. Shifts well. And service brake is good. Steering is good. Lights work. And reverse. A good running MA-50, very serviceable. Thanks for bidding.